This is November 173, Delta Zorro, of Delta Airlines 2031, from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale in the Boeing 767-300. This is November 309, Delta November, of Delta Airlines 2374, Atlanta to Fort West Palm Beach, in the Airbus A321-211SL, blast-off machine. This is November 8721, Juliet, of Southwest Airlines 1276. From Midway, Illinois, to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, in the Boeing 737 MAX 8. This is November 584, November Whiskey, of Delta Airlines 1249, from Detroit to Fort Lauderdale, in the Boeing 757-300, 351-W, the rocket ship, pencil, giraffe, slongsport, or whatever you want to call this aircraft. (168980) Charlie November Victor 4381.